Welcome to Profile Traders. This is Reza and you're listening to my market analysis for Friday, January the 30th. On Thursday, when we closed at the very top, I specifically said that we could easily come back down towards 2000 again because of this whole push to the upside was very suspicious as it happened late in the afternoon, and there was absolutely no real fundamental reason to back that up. As we can see, in the overnight we dropped down and erased this whole area all the way towards 2000, and then came Friday where we tried to push up. We tried to exit on the upside above 2025, but we failed and we came back down and closed at a very low. So now Friday closing at the very low, Thursday closing at the very high. What is this telling us? That the market is going again through another phase of complete confusion. It doesn't know which side we are going to go from here. Are we going to break down, or are we going to break and go further up above 2025? Therefore, now you can absolutely bracket the market between these two POCs, one POC 79, one POC 2024. And now you have to be monitoring which side of this we do break or not break. The big picture, the red line in the sand is 1965. Below 1965, ES could take a very sharp drop, which could lead it straight towards 1900, and even eventually it could lead it straight towards 1830 to 1850. 1965 is a number that you do not want to forget. Have that double marked or whatever on your chart, because that's the absolute main support of this whole nasty back and forth that we are witnessing in these last few weeks of January. But if we come down and that level holds, do not be shocked at all that we are going to then rotate back up from 65 all the way to 2000, and then from 2000 to 2025. Anytime that we do break above 2025, be reminded that there is a POC at 2053 which could go and target to the upside. So bracketed market 2025 to 1979. And who is in charge here? Nobody. There is no way to say because when you have such a contradiction, when a Thursday you close at the very high and a Friday you close at the very low, it's just junk. But are we shocked that it's junk? It's ES. No, everybody knows ES is pure manipulated junk. So we will see. As for crude, I also warned you that the dumb trades, the stupid trade, is to believe that I'm gonna come at this low of 44 short and I'm gonna be rewarded. Well, this time around you shorted down there. Not only you didn't get rewarded, but you lost your underwear in the process. This push up came as a combination of several things which I absolutely discussed with you previously. I told you when price is gonna come down to a certain point, consumption and waste will increase, production will decrease because it doesn't make any more sense to dig, drill and extract all at 40 bucks. And I also said that Putin will shake things geopolitically to make everything in his power to make price of oil go up because his own survival is at risk. And we just heard that Ukraine and the Bolshevik on the other side are fighting again. and things are getting pretty heat up and nasty over there. And we also got report that oil production finally has started to drop. So all these things combined together with the whole world being on the short side and not the stupid idiots down there, after a drop from 114 at 44, they realized that they are geniuses. They finally found the solution to wealth, which is to go short 44 oil because it's gonna drop to $20, where they got their ass kicked, and very, very, very justifiably, and I'm very happy that it did happen. So in this case now, it is a little bit on the bullish side, but 50 is absolutely a massive, massive level of resistance, and I do not foresee this to go above 50 anytime soon, unless we are getting some geopolitical issues rising on the horizon. But also the fact that it moves so fast up there, I would not be surprised to see a very deep retracement into this zone. 46.30 now is our first level of support. If it comes down there and holds, there should be another push back up to retest this high. If not, if we do break any given time below 46.32, it is going to come back towards 45.30. On the upside, 50. So therefore 46.30 to 50 is the bracket. And if it's too large for your wallet, I do apologize. This is none of the concerns of the market. Levels are levels. Your wallet is irrelevant. So keep an eye on 46.30 support, 50 resistance. When it's in such condition and it's strong, you want to be buying pullbacks because the trend is in your favor. And then if it gets towards 50 after a rise from 44, I believe it's going to be a great, great short opportunity, but we are not there yet. Gold 1300 is still very, very problematic. We were not able to break it, but I also told you that if as long as we remain above 1250, it is looking okay. We came down very close to 1250 Thursday night here, and no, we came Thursday to 1250. The overnight wasn't showing any sell interest. As a result, day session kicked in and it was all buy to the very high of the day. This one again, nothing is going to be happening until we clear 1300. Until we clear 1300, we will be in a very wide trading range, 1250 to 1300. Support number one for CL comes in now at 1270 and a half. We come down there, it's gonna be support buy because the action is very trend up. The profile is looking like it has been trending up on Friday, and if this is real, volume was there, and if buying interest has resumed to come back after the profit taking of people from 1300, we should then see another continuation up to challenge 1300. And anytime that we do break 1300, we should go towards 1320 to 1325. So 1270 is support one, and then 1257 is support two. On the upside, significant resistance is 1300. But it does look good, at least on what happened on Friday. Now things will change. On Sunday, obviously it could, but I do not know what's gonna happen tonight. So this is good. This is bullish looking. Let's see now if we can go tackle again 1300 and hopefully this time break it. Thank you for listening. This is Reza with profiletraders.com. If you wish to learn market profile and be involved in a real trading room where trades are called, education provided, no BS, no cheating, no lying, no deception like the 90% out there, I am now offering all my courses and 1-year membership to my room for $550. check out the website www.profiletraders.com.